This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Amanda Windsor. Move-in ready home located in the charming Copper Ridge community. Beautiful 3-bedroom/2-bath, plus bonus office/den. The floor plan creates a steady flow between the dining room, kitchen, family room, and outdoor living space. The kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, eat-in dinette, breakfast bar, closet pantry, and an abundance of cabinet space. The kitchen overlooks a spacious family room complete with large sliding glass doors out to the oversized screened in patio, excellent for entertaining friends and family. The split floor plan creates privacy for you and your guest. The master suite encompassed with ensuite bath includes dual sinks, walk-in shower, plus a garden tub. Additional features include large laundry room with sink, oversized garage with extra storage, bathroom with outside access, high ceilings, beautiful wood floors throughout, and so much more. Improvements include roof 2017, air conditioner 2018, floors 2015, bathrooms updated in 2015. Conveniently located to schools, a variety of restaurants, golf courses, entertainment, and shopping, I-4, I-75, and the Leroy Selman Expressway for easy commuting to downtown Tampa, McDill AFB, our award-winning beaches and Orlando theme parks. Very low HOA, no CDD, no flood zone. Call and schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Amanda Windsor at 813-563-5995.